Whoever leave this tent will lose. Me and Riley are gonna stay with this tent. Whoever last gonna stay here will win. And who will gonna lose and who will gonna win? Let's find out.
Help me. Help me.
But we have challenges.
Help me.
In the morning mist,
Our first challenge is playing Ono. Bro, dali din eh. Let's play Ono.
Help me.
Years old.
Help
It's been
me.
7 years since the cart was anything but a work tool.
Riley!
Help me.
Dali din eh. Sila hindi ka ning nerf
The
gun
chain
karon.
was to deliver wood to the villagers.
Pagkuhan lagi.
Oh,
Dali lagi. Dali na.
We carry up to half a ton. It's very steep here. And the
Yo.
brakes aren't reliable, so we use branches.
Dawas
to
di ka
block the
karon.
wheels.
Ikaploti ka sa
You see,
gawas.
these are my brakes.
no,
It's the pedal that's connected to the brake with this chain.
Ito po.
Okay.
Their father made the cart as best he could. The
Hey!
brakes, the steering wheel,
Hey,
axles,
6,
and the
7.
Six, seven.
Go first.
Be cheating.
But my friends
Dos.
had. Their wheels fell off and
Dos.
they smashed their cart.
No. Walk for.
No.
Ayaw.
Okay, call for.
Lumon.
The 3-kilometer journey downhill
kuha
is
o
anything but safe.
Maru.
Kaya lang kay meaning makaskip. Ikay kani mag-skip sa kuha. Ikaw na
And
sad.
scary. On the turns, the trucks can't see us, and it's very difficult to avoid them.
Unsa man na color?
Blue.
Shaken
No.
and rattled by potholes, the cart risks disintegrating at any moment.
Yellow. Oh, may gani.
Oh my God.
Bro! Maro pa yun na. I have too many yellow, bro. Come on. Does that not work?
Why?
Sama na color.
The wood will sell for €2.
Sana color.
Barely enough for a few meals.
What color? Kani be?
What color? Okay.
During the monsoon,
Red.
the roads in
Red.
Burma can quickly turn into raging torrents of mud and stones.
I win. Oh, I win. I won.
Take the plank right now.
No.
Reverse.
When it
Ding.
rains, there's a risk of landslides. It's a challenge for man and machine.
Blue.
That's how we do things. It gets fixed and fixed again, and then we drive off.
Maluz na ka. You're losing.
I'm exhausted.
I have 8
I have 3.
and I was color.
What?
Burma is the land of 1,000
Blue.
pagodas, a Buddhist stronghold, and a country
Bro,
isolated for
I
50
said
years
blue.
by its communist dictatorship.
So,
It's long hidden sites and people
Green.
are among the last
Thank
in the
you.
world to open up to foreigners, such as the giraffe women. I've never removed my rings. I like them a lot. Below the ground in Burma lie
I have too many green.
in the depths of the
I have
jungle.
too many.
We will challenge this and
Soon the
this
foxes
video
will
will
catch up.
continue later. Guys, me and Riley was playing Ono and I found this. 6, 7.
Adventure.
Guys, I won and Riley lost.
In 6 hours,
Alam,
Now-
bro, kita.
Burma has covered just 60 kilometers.
Bro, dagan pa man imuha kay sa kuha. Bantog akong gi-skip. Next challenge is we are gonna build something. If we guess what we build, we get another point. Well, open your box.
Andiyan mo daw kuan eh.
Bro, ato di ka sa claw machine.
No rain, dry,
Ambi na. Di mo na nang gigupo. We are gonna play some Lego.
Karon.
300 meters further up.
Hello guys. Brian, ano wala pa man nagguba?
I don't know.
It's look raining sooner or later.
Napag na yung
because there's
IDC.
a lot. So if we have the rain later, it might be have more water problems.
I
Torrential
didn't
rain will make the river impassable. But it's the only way to the elephant sanctuary. Cosimo has no choice.
Wala pa nag-start ako ng game. Brian, anong nag-start na mukha?
The town of Calenio lies
Well, why are you
200
eating some
kilometers
Legos, bro?
northwest.
The game started. Our game just started, Brian. Build something big.
For
Dili
half a
ako.
century, no foreigner
Kapasikat
ever
yun
came
na
here.
manghod. Oh.
The town was frozen in time.
I want you to leave this house.
Okay.
The cars here date from the Second World War.
The last challenge is truth or dare.
A jumble of trucks from another age.
What is that color? I don't know.
I'm going to tell you.
Brian, marites lagi kay
Amongst the
cover
rusting,
mo.
clanking
Wing ko.
parts, some spanking new Jeeps. These are unique, entirely handmade in workshops such as Mr. Chin's.
I need more red.
Wala akong dakong pangito pa na.
He's crazy about mechanics. With a dozen
Ano
other
ba?
workers, he can
Bubog
make
ka?
anything.
Ikaw,
Ikaw.
nabuang ka?
Suspension, body
Ikaw.
work, all except the engine, which comes from India.
Ha, pilit na ba?
We're gonna continue this later. Guys, I'm done building. Riley is the remaining player. Guys, our light just broke, bro. Our light just broke. Guys, I fixed the light. I got bored, so I'm gonna play this.
I want to buy another one, but I can't afford it.
Guys, if Riley loses, he will get out of this place. If I lose, I will get out of this place, and Riley wins.
The next day,
So-
he leaves at sunrise.
Riley is still not done yet. So let me wait. I'm gonna play some Nerf gun. Guys, me and Riley done
Bro, what is
building.
it?
Riley, let me guess. This is Doctor Stranger. Stranger danger! Stranger danger! Stranger danger! Stranger danger! Ah!
I'm gonna be failure this
In
time.
fact, his shortcut has cost him
Down na ba? Saan na daw ba? Saan?
camped out by the river.
Saan man daw ni Railway?
Star is still looking for a way.
Dili!
Oh! Oh!
Uno Rivers! Di mo niya Uno
For the
Rivers.
motorbike, 20 centimes.
Hmm?
And for the car? The car. Ah, well. And we'll cross on the rafts, but they're just taking motorbikes for now. The raft's pilots have to go in the water. If the current's too strong or if it's too deep, they won't cross.
Ano gamitin?
He sends out his co-pilot to
Guys, I won! Meaning... No.
No!
Dili naman ka.
No!
Ay, dili. Piyaw-piyaw.
No!
Dili na kay... I won!